Hello, I'm Yayan, and today we're diving into the basics of color theory. All the rules of thumb you need to master to get on point with your creative pursuits. Let's get started. So let's start off with U. To keep it simple, just remember U is equals to color. So here you can see me draw a bunch of different colors: red, yellow, orange, purple, and blue. And practically those colors are used. So the next basic concept I'll discuss about color theory is saturation. Essentially, saturation is the intensity of the color. So here you can see I've drawn a set of circles. On the left side, the color is 0% saturated. On the right side, it is 100% saturated. This applies to any color, as you can see while I change the hue of the circles. The next concept is lightness. Now you can see I am making a set of blue circles. I will be changing the lightness of each color from dark to light. Basically, lightness is simply adding whites or blacks to a color. Again, with any color, the lighter groups are called tints and the darker groups are called shades. Next, we'll proceed in discussing theories of color schemes, and we'll start by drawing a color wheel, which is a simple circular diagram that shows how colors are related to each other. So firstly, you can see that I've started with the primary colors red, yellow, and blue, equally spaced in the circle. When we combine these, we get the orange, green, and violet. And then we combine this again and we get the tertiary colors, then the quaternary colors, the quinary, and so on. So in theory, there is no true end in how colors can be subdivided. Anyway, basically the color wheel helps to understand how different colors mix, match, or contrast. So now I'm just drawing lines to separate three colors, the red, violet, and blue. And this is an analog color group. And this can apply to other sets of colors. Next is the complementary color schemes. Basically, in the color wheel, it is two colors opposite to each other. Again, it doesn't matter what colors they are, as long as they're directly opposite colors in the color wheel, they're complementary colors. Now we move to the triadic color scheme. I'll start by drawing three triangles with equal spacing from each other. Basically, we'll get the primary, secondary, and tertiary colors using this color scheme. Here you can see I've isolated the red, yellow, and blue triadic group, making the primary colors. You can use this color scheme to achieve colors of the tertiary, quaternary, and so on. Lastly, I also want to discuss the monochromatic color group. Here, I am creating a red color wheel with different tints, shades, and saturations. It is very simple and it elicits a timeless professional look. So now, you have a basic idea of the color schemes. And once you master these, you can actually break them and develop styles that push boundaries and create a great impact to your work. Next, I'll discuss color meanings. Again, people use color schemes to make their work attractive to their audiences. But usually, colors have meanings behind each artist's work. Understanding these meanings help you communicate deeper emotions and messages, therefore enhancing your work. By tapping into these symbolisms, you can connect and engage to your audiences better. So here, I've outlined some common meanings for primary and secondary colors. So things to keep in mind. These symbolisms can mean different things on different countries and different cultures. So as a rule of thumb, always consider cultural context when using different colors. A good example is the color red. Western cultures associate them with danger, with love or passion. In African communities, red is associated with mourning and death, while in Asian communities, it's associated heavily with luck and prosperity. Thanks for joining me into this quick dive into color theory. If you found this helpful, please subscribe. See you in the next video.